Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, passenger airbag sensor, power outlet and rear-wheel drive. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.